Critical warning. Server malfunction. Alert. 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 Server malfunction. Warning. 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 Warning.
So if you watched my previous video, you know that I create smart automation that makes your daily life easy. But you might be wondering that what control this smart home. Let me show you. So here is the brain of the smart home. This server control everything, every light, every display, every sensor in this home. And these are the network wire and the power wire which is going in this server. And this is the controller which is containing ESP and relays to turn on the lights in this room. And each room contain a controller like this containing ESP and relay, and it is directly connected to the home assistant using Wi-Fi. My server basically contain home assistant and TrueNAS. These are the only operating system which I am running on my server. Else everything is the network gear to support the network of my home. So if you want to make your home smart, you just need to start it. You don't need a huge amount of money. Like me, I remember when I started my home automation journey, I don't have much money and I have my computer and I have installed Home Assistant in a VirtualBox and used ESP and relays to turn on the lights. And after getting some experience, then I have purchased an old computer and installed Home Assistant on it and used it as my server. Now I have two servers running, a file server and a Home Assistant. Home Assistant is used for the automation and TrueNAS is used for file server and media server. So if you want to start, you just start. You don't need a lot of money to start your home automation journey. So let's open the server door. So here is what it contains. If you see here is the contact sensor which detects the server door open and close. And when I open this door, the lights will turn on and the fans will disengage. Here is the brain of the server. It contains two computers, each having i3 4GB RAM. This computer has Home Assistant. That computer has TrueNAS for file server and media server. It's the hard drive of that. This SSD contains the operating system for the Home Assistant. And the power supply of this is outside the cabinet so that this cabinet will not heat up. This cabinet contains three fans. One on the top which is exhaust fan, two on the side of this cabinet. If you are stick till now, consider subscribing. I will be bringing more automation and smart home videos like this. And these are the networking gear which is connecting whole network together. It is the backbone of the smart home. Here you can see two switches. One is a PoE switch which is giving power to cameras and everything. Another is a gigabyte switch, 1 Gbps up, 1 Gbps down, which is connecting Home Assistant, router, this switch and many more things which I will tell you further. This router connects to ESP devices which will wirelessly operate. For example, here is first ESP device which control the speaker in the home. This ESP is connected to relay which will turn on this speaker, provide signal to this speaker. So this woofer is used to play the audio feedback from this server. And if you are wondering where its speaker are installed in the ceiling of the home, which is going directly down using a LAN wire which is extending its speaker wire and going down in the house in the ceiling. And here is the NVR for the cameras. It is recording the video from the cameras. It is also connected to the gigabyte switch which is installed down there. And if you are seeing here, it is a custom PCB designed by me. What it does, it has relays for the fans, lights and the door, and it is connected to the ESP8266 running ESP home unit. Basically it controls everything in this cabinet including fans, lights, and this Arduino will restart the Home Assistant if there is a power outage. Here you can see a 5V power adapter which is directly connected to the power supply. When there is a power surge, the Arduino will turn off, and when the power came back online, the Arduino will turn on and turn on the relay for 5 seconds and turn on the Home Assistant. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. See you next time. Until then, bye.